Hi guys, it's Mooregirl. I want to show you real quick how I make my turkey meatballs with zucchini. First thing I do is cut up my peppers and saute them. Spray a little bit of olive oil if you want, or whatever oil you prefer. Then I use 4 portobello mushrooms, and also I add them to my mixture. I do use Mrs. Dash. I try to avoid salt at all times. The next thing I do is add my zucchini. I cut both ends off after, wash them very thoroughly. And the gadget when you use for this is at Bed Bath & Beyond. It's kind of like a spiralizer. So this is to do the spirals in your zucchini. Make sure that the center of your zucchini is in that metal hole. So in that way, it's easier to turn. Once you get to the edge of your zucchini, the only thing you can do is add the top to it, the little cap, and you see that it has spikes to it, and that is to push into your zucchini, into the gadget, and just turn. I think it took approximately maybe less than 5 minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes to actually do one zucchini. This is a really simple process. You take the middle out and just toss it, and there you have your spirals. I add olive oil to my pan, and then I added my zucchini noodles. I'll saute them and stir them around for approximately like 8 to 10 minutes. I do not add, I salt to my noodles, to my food. I do add Himalaya sea salt. Once everything is sauteed, I add my turkey meatballs from the oven. Once this is cooked, as you can see, I do like mine soft but slightly crunched to it. After that, you add your marinara sauce to your meatballs. After your zucchini noodles are thoroughly cooked, you're going to add your meat sauce on top. Once you combine everything, only thing you have to do is add your Parmesan cheese or cheese of your liking. I use either Parmesan or Romano. And that is all it is. Let that simmer for another couple minutes, and that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this high protein and vegetables and low carb meal. All right, guys, it's your Mooregirl. Thanks again for watching.